Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. So today we're going to see how to make a splash potion of weakness in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. So you can splash on things. So for that, what you need to do is get on crafting table, add blazing rod, and then have blazing powder, and then sugar cane to get sugar, and now spider eye and brown mushroom for a fermented spider eye. Now after that we need to go to brewing stand and then place blaze powder there and water bottles there and our fermented spider eye which we created, and now gunpowder add in for to splash things. That's it. Now this is how you can get a splash potion. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.